Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this you will need this kind of tool to eject SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So just put the tool inside the hole on the slot will come out, and here you have to put your SD card and here your SIM card, and then just put it back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there's also notification that SD card found here, so it's read it too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.